kuasane ko. Ibuntay banyakay lagi panoy.
Huwag kang madurulos dahil kanya ang buwal sa mundo. Kung mawawalan ng pag-asa, di ng ligaya, ang isipin mong may bukas pa na mayroong siya. May nasdyosan mo. Ay, siya mo. Tignan siya. Stupid. Sino ba yan? Mainis dahil ganyan buhay sa mundo. Mag-honor of king na lang tayo mga idolo. Huwag na tayo mag-ML, nakakasawa. Make your first match to obtain the more heroes. Nagmawalan ng pag-asa, litin ang ligaya, ang isipin mong may bukas pa na mayroong siya. Hindi ko tindihan lang upang umayos ka. Magaling ang nagminilingar at ay lumawan ka. Ha? Ilan na nakashot mo? Ilan na nakashot mo? 43 pesos? 43 pesos? Honor of king na lang tayo, insan.
Your battle buddy. There's trouble on the front lines. Let's go. The left controls movement and the right controls your
Wait,
attacks.
tinuturuan mo, parang ML lang
Follow
to.
me.
Come here.
Cover me. Nice. Solaris' skill 2 deals area damage. Tap to learn.
Wagang, 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 wagang.
Well done.
Well done.
You've leveled up.
You're
Time
level
to
up.
learn your second
Learn the
skill.
second skill.
Use skill 2 to slow, then use skill 1 to enhance your basic attacks. Uh-oh, more enemies have appeared. Get ready. Slain an enemy. Wow, you're on
Fire
fire.
one fighter. Sino muna?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Let's show them who
Should
they're
know
messing
what
with.
using wits. Oh, bagang, bagang. Bagang, bagang.
Your skill 3 is now unlocked. Time to really use your skill 3 to damage and stun enemies from a distance.
Ay, maabot doon ang haba.
Watch out!
Watch out.
These guys just don't give up. Show them who's the boss. Quadra kill. Not bad. I'll have to watch out
Not
for you in the
bad.
future. Defeat the enemies and destroy their towers to
naman. Mega quadra
Triple
kill.
kill. Your team has destroyed a turret.
You're a natural.
Easy.
Destroy enemy crystal.
Diba? Papagas ka, bugiyak. Dapat tayo lumabangga. Ang kailangan natin ay ang love. Kung mayroon pagsabak mo.
Tutorial start.
Skid. Lang,